Hey everyone, welcome to the AI Ready ASEAN Hour of Code. This program is all about introducing artificial intelligence in a way that's simple, fun, and meaningful. This initiative launched by ASEAN Foundation and implemented by UTP and also UTP ASEAN Student Association with the support from Google.org. Before we begin, let me share who is behind this initiative. For your information, ASEAN Foundation is the intergovernmental organization which located in Jakarta, Indonesia. The ASEAN Foundation works to build connection and improve life across Southeast Asia. Then, UTP ASEAN Student Association is an official student society registered under University Technology Petronas, Malaysia, focuses on empowering youth and promoting awareness about important issues. Together, our vision is to create a cohesive, caring, and innovative ASEAN community. Our University Technology Petronas is proud to host this initiative. As Malaysia's leading engineering and technology university, UTP is globally recognized for its innovation and research. Then, the university strongly emphasizes solving real-world problems through technology, which align perfectly with today's sessions, where we aim to explore how technology and AI can create meaningful impact. Before we delve into deeper, let's have a look into overall AI-ready ASEAN initiative.
AI is shaping the future of digital transformation across ASEAN.
ASEAN has played a pivotal role in coordinating efforts to create a more inclusive AI ecosystem for its member states, and should continue to champion this mission to ensure equitable AI development.
However, with ASEAN countries at varying stages of readiness, the rapid rise of AI brings unique challenges that each nation must tackle in its own way. That's where AI Ready ASEAN steps in, helping everyone in ASEAN adapt to and benefit from AI. With support from Google.org, the ASEAN Foundation is implementing AI Ready ASEAN to empower the AI literacy of 5.5 million people in ASEAN, focusing on the youth, educators, and parents.
We'll train 2,000 master trainers and reach 800 people with hands-on AI learning, along with an awareness-raising campaign on AI, organize regional and national convenings, publish a regional-scale research on AI, and launch an e-learning platform through the AI Resource Hub for easy access, anytime, anywhere.
We can ensure no one is left behind in this exciting tech revolution. Let's get AI ready together.
Then, let's watch another video for AI Class ASEAN.
Welcome to AI Class ASEAN, a platform to learn, grow, and connect with other ASEAN citizens to improve your AI knowledge. Everyone is welcome here. Start with the basics and learn what AI really is in a simple, easy-to-understand way. Level up with future-ready skills through insightful modules, an AI chatbot, and multilingual support. Complete the modules, enhance your AI skills, earn your badges, and get your completion certificate. Learn anytime, anywhere, on any device. Ready to learn? Start your journey now.
Next, let's look into detail what is AI Ready ASEAN is. Basically, AI Ready ASEAN is a program by the ASEAN Foundation with support from Google.org to build AI literacy in the region. Over 2.5 years, it aims to equip 5.5 million people across all 10 ASEAN countries with basic AI skills. The initiative helps youth, educators, and parents to thrive in the digital era and use AI responsibly and ethically. To make this vision a reality, the program has several key interventions. Firstly, exciting millions of youth and educators to learn AI through Hour of Code. Secondly, providing intensive training to build AI knowledge and ethics. Thirdly, hosting policy roundtables and hackathon for knowledge sharing and innovation. And lastly, developing e-learning hub and competition. In short, this intervention ensures that learning AI isn't just theoretical, it's hands-on, collaborative, and impactful. For Malaysia, the mission is very clear. We want to empower youth, teachers, and families with accessible AI education. The objectives include building a collaborative learning ecosystem, encouraging responsible use of AI, and supporting trainers who will spread AI literacy nationwide. The ultimate goal is make AI not just a skill for a few, but a knowledge base for everyone. If you would like to get involved in more activity or stay updated about competition, events, and learning opportunity, You can follow our social media page. Just scan the QR code provided or tap this link in your browser. This way, you will never miss out on exciting chances to engage with the ASEAN AI community. Now, let's start our Hour of Code session. Before we officially start the learning session, we will do a quick pre-assessment. Don't worry, it's not a test. This helps us understand your current knowledge and allow us to measure your progress by the end of the session. It will only take about 5 minutes, and also your participation will also help you to qualify for the certificate of achievement. You might be curious about what the Hour of Code is. Well, the Hour of Code is a global movement that introduced the basic of coding and AI in just 1 hour. The goal is to show how that technology is for everyone, regardless of age or background. Today, we will use fun, interactive activity to see how AI can be applied to solve real-world problems. Learning out of code is encouraged due to its numerous benefits and positive outcomes. Firstly, essential future skill. Coding and AI are key skills for future jobs, shifting you from a technology user to a creator. Secondly, make a real impact. You can use coding and AI to solve real-world problems and drive positive, meaningful change. Thirdly, boost problem solving. Learning to code trains you to think logically and solve problems creatively. Lastly, secure your career. Tech careers are rapidly growing, so knowing how to code gives you a head start in a future-proof career path. Before moving on, let's discuss the apps shown in the slide. I believe apps like YouTube, TikTok, and Spotify are common to all of us. Perhaps you used one of them yesterday or even just an hour ago. Did you notice that this app always recommends some content that you like? Have you wondered how does it know what you might like actually? So the common answer might be it spy on us, it listen to what we watch, it track history. Well, if you think that way, you're absolutely right. Actually, there's AI at work. It looks at your past behavior, know what you have watched, liked, or skipped, and find patterns to predict what you might want next. Let's pause for a moment. When you hear the word artificial intelligent AI, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Maybe robot, self-driving car, or even ChatGPT? Everyone has a different idea, but in simple terms, AI is about teaching computer to learn and make decisions like humans. Now, let's take a look at the definition of AI. Artificial intelligence is a technology that allows computer to learn like humans. Unlike regular computer programs that follow fixed instruction, AI can learn from experience and adapt over time. Artificial intelligence is a technology that enables computer to learn and adapt, much like humans do. AI is like teaching a computer to think, learn, and make decisions. It doesn't have feeling or creativity like us, but it can process huge amount of information and make prediction much faster than humans. To understand AI better, think of it as giving computer human-like sense. AI can hear by understanding voices or music, it can see by recognizing objects in pictures, and it can think by analyzing data to predict outcomes. This combination allows AI systems to make decisions that are useful in real-world applications. In short, AI is not magic, but they can learn from example. The more example you give, the better they became. Since our last point was the AI use machine learning to learn, now we will take a look what is machine learning actually is. Machine learning is a special type of AI where computers don't follow step-by-step instruction. Instead, they learn from examples and then make prediction. For instance, if you show it many pictures of cats and dogs, it learns the patterns and later can tell whether a new image is a cat or a dog, even if it hasn't seen that exact picture before. Now, we will look in detail at how machine learning works. The process usually involves three main steps. The first process is called data collection. We have to provide the computer with lots of examples. Then, the second one is pattern recognition. AI analyzed patterns include color, shape, and texture, not just exact photos. For instance, AI will identify what makes cat different from dogs or trash different from fish in the ocean. Last process is called prediction. AI can look at new data it hasn't seen before using what it learned to make decisions about new data. Example, when we show it a new photo, the result will be like this is 90% likely a cat. Prediction is not always 100% correct, but if trained well, it can be very accurate. Since we already know the concept in the previous slide, let's immediately jump into our first hour of code activity, AI for Ocean, which will give us a detailed look at how machine learning functions. Now, you can scan the QR code on the screen, and you can also search for this to go to the web page.
and machine learning can affect every part of society. For instance, self-driving cars use AI to recognize their surroundings, track objects, and make super important decisions, like when to stop. Machine learning is already being used in some really amazing things. It's allowing us to be more energy efficient. We use it to improve how we grow food and manage natural resources. It's dramatically changing how we diagnose diseases and create new medicines. It's even helping the blind see.
I think it's a man jumping in the air doing a trick on a skateboard.
But there are also risks. Consider the potential impact when machine learning is used to evaluate candidates for college admission, screen applicants for bank loans, or even predict crime or spot criminals. When using machine learning in these types of applications, we need to make sure not to use prejudiced training data that would perpetuate human bias.
As AI and machine learning change everything, it's important that you have a hand in how they're being used. More than any other technology, AI has the potential to revolutionize our lives for the better, so long as it's done in a way that avoids bias that could cause harm or inequity. The most important thing about machine learning is human learning. Knowing how this technology works is the first step on your journey to using it for good.
After completed the AI for Ocean game, we have built a strong understanding of machine learning. Now, let's watch a video of a practical, real-world scenario to see how AI makes prediction. Next, we will move on to our second hour of code activity, which is training our own model. This exercise offers a step-by-step glimpse into machine learning, covering data collection, pattern recognition, and prediction, all of which we have learned about before. This second activity is more complicated than the first activity. Now, you can scan the QR code on the screen to go to the game web page or tap this link in your browser.
We are going to build a fun rock, paper, scissors game using machine learning, which will let us train a computer to recognize hand gestures and respond intelligently. Let's create a new project. Click on Add a new project, and we will name it rock, paper, scissors. Choose image recognition as the machine learning model. That means we will teach the computer to recognize pictures of our hand gestures. Now, we will need to train our AI. That means showing it lots of examples of each gesture, rock, paper, and scissors, so it can learn to tell them apart. Click Train. We need to create 3 labels, which is rock, paper, and scissors. For each one, we will use around 20 photos using webcams, or you can upload it from files. If you are using webcam, we will need to make sure our hand is in different positions and lighting so the AI can learn better. Make sure to have a lot of examples. This is an example of uploading a picture using webcam. You can do any hand gesture and then click Add. Or we have a draw option. You can draw an example of rock and upload it. Once we have added enough examples, we will click on Train Model. This might take a minute. Behind this, the computer is analyzing all the images and figuring out patterns, like how many fingers are showing or the shape of the hand. When it is done, we will have a custom AI model that can recognize our hand gestures. Let's test it using our webcam. I will try to make a gesture with my hand. I am now doing paper, and our model recognized as paper with 64% of confidence. Now let's try with another gesture. Now I'm trying to do rock. Now it recognized as wrong with 90% of confidence. Don't worry if it makes mistake. That's normal. You can always add more training image to improve accuracy. So that's how you build a rock paper scissors game using machine learning. We have trained a model, tested it, and even built a game. This activity is perfect for learning about AI, image recognition, and how computer will see the world.
Before we wrap up, we will take a short post-assessment. This helps you reflect on what you have learned today and allow us to measure your progress from the pre-test. And remember, filling in both the pre and post-assessment is required if you would like to receive your Certificate of Achievement from the ASEAN Foundation and UTP. To conclude, AI is not just about technology, it's about how we, as humans, use it to solve problems and create a better world. By learning the basics today, you have taken the first step in becoming an AI literate citizen who can contribute to the future of our region and beyond. As you continue your journey, keep this in mind. The future doesn't just happen, it's created by those willing to learn and lead. And that's you. That's all for today's session, and hopefully this session has inspired you to explore AI further. Thank you for joining us. Bye!